Hi traders, it's Alberto. Today is Wednesday, June 15th. This is the analysis for today and upcoming days. We have a slew of economic data coming out today, starting with the FOMC interest rate decision. Also, there's numbers out of Australia and I believe New Zealand. So just be very careful trades that you take today, because the markets could be extremely volatile during, especially when there's so much news event coming out in one particular day. That said, let's look at a few trade setups. Well, actually, some few pairs. The Canadian dollar is very weak at the moment. Let me just go over a few pairs. EuroCAD, waiting for a close of a trend line on EuroCAD. Number one, we have MACD lines crossing to the upside, and so all I can say that about now. You don't have enough information to take a trade, but we do have a nice hammer here. So this support should hold. If you take your Fibonacci tool, draw it from the swing low of June 10th to the swing high of the 14th, we have a nice support right at 61% retracement level. So this could be a very good trade to take, but I'd rather wait till that trend line is broken so we see a body of a candle close above that 4-hour trend line. The other one is Aussie CAD. The 4-hour candle hasn't finished yet, but you can see it's starting to appear its head above that trend line, so we're going to wait for that. The other one is pound Canadian dollar, and again, there is a trend line and waiting for a price to just break above that. Pound New Zealand dollar has been in consolidation for quite some time. We do have divergence on this 1-hour chart, and let me see, on the 4-hour chart we also have divergence, but right now it's not going anywhere, and I suspect until that news event comes out of New Zealand late this afternoon, we're not going to see much of activity on the pound New Zealand dollar. The Australian JPY, that was a trade signal that was sent out. A little bit of a pullback. We do have a trend line break on the 4-hour chart, and we have divergence on a 1-hour chart. So look for pullbacks to re-enter the market. I'm in a position here, but if it comes back down and to retest the trend line, then I'll re-enter the market. And it is supported by the 4-hour chart because the two lines of MACD have crossed to the upside on the 4-hour chart. And I'm not sure if this is divergence on a 4-hour. Let me just check this quick. Yeah, there is divergence on a 4-hour chart as well, but I'm not sure if this is confirmed by the daily chart, but it doesn't really matter. If trend line has been broken, this downtrend is essentially over. We look at a daily chart, and the two lines on the daily chart are, nothing's going on, but it looks promising. It looks like this level of support most likely will hold. We have a trend line break on a 4-hour chart. Two lines on MACD are just touching right now and hoping they would separate and start heading north. But as far as a short-term trade, this looks really good on a 4-hour and 1-hour chart. And that's it for today's analysis, and I apologize, I needed to record this on YouTube because I'm having problems with the private recording that I normally sent out. So if you have any questions on this, just shoot me an email. Remember, we have FOMC meeting numbers are coming out around 2 p.m. Eastern, so I hesitate to trade an hour before that, but that doesn't mean we can't trade for the next 2 or 3 hours, and we have plenty of opportunities on these pairs that I just recommended. So have a good trading week. Thanks for watching the video. Talk to you guys soon.